Anthony Tins, and I'm the head of product development at InnovateSolution, a leading technology company in Paris. I'm here to share my experience of working with Birbal AI, who provided us a team of designers, developers, and testers for an end-to-end project. We were facing a complex project where we needed to build a new project from scratch within a tight deadline. The project required a combination of technical expertise and creative thinking. We were struggling to find the right team in-house. That's when we reached out with Birbal AI. They provided us with a highly skilled team of designers, developers, and testers who were able to understand our requirements and propose a comprehensive solution. The team worked seamlessly together to design, develop, and test the product end-to-end, keeping us updated on the progress at every step. Thanks to Birbal AI expertise and their team of designers, developers, and testers, we were able to launch the product within the deadline and exceeded our expectation. The product was highly super-friendly, efficient, and scalable. We were impressed by the quality of their work and the professionalism of the team. Overall, we had a great experience working with Birbal AI, and we highly recommended their service to anyone looking for a skilled designer, developer, and tester to work on their project. Thank you, Birbal AI, for providing us with an excellent team for our end-to-end project. We look forward to working with you again in the future.